Oui, bonjour mes chers amis. Bonjour tout le monde. Please, our topic today is la négation. La négation, we are going to concentrate on ne pas because we have other types of négation in French. But we are going to pay attention only on ne pas, okay? And before we do that, here are the rules that we have to observe carefully, okay? Ne pas, remember to negate a sentence in French. The first rule is to identify the verb, okay? And when you have find out the verb, you put no, which is no here. This space here is for the verb. You put the verb, and after the verb, you put pas. But there are some other rules that we have to take care of, okay? Here is the rule one. If there are partitive articles like do la, do l apostrophe, or there before the noun, they will change, okay? These partitive articles, they will change to do or the apostrophe. If the noun is starting with vowel, it becomes the apostrophe. Rule number two, if there are article indefinite are or in before the noun again, the change will be do or the apostrophe. Rule number three is if there are article definite like le, la, l apostrophe or le before the noun in a sentence, there is no change. And the last rule here, rule number four, is if there is a verb être, that is the verb être is what we are going to negate, then there is no change. Okay, from these very activities, let us do it and be able to find it clear. Instruction says, mettez ces phrases au négatif. Okay, mettez ces phrases au négatif. It means change the sentence to negation. In each of these sentences here, I have highlighted the verbs because the first rule in negation is to find out the verb in a sentence. I have put the verbs in the red colors. Then article partitive, article definite, article indefinite, I have put them on the blue colors. Articles I have put on the blue colors. So that in each sentence, we should be able to look carefully on these rules and apply it accordingly. So the first sentence is ce matin, tu bois du café au lait. Ce matin, tu bois du café au lait. This morning, do you drink coffee with milk? It is a question. So to negate it here, like the verb is already in the red color, I want to copy the sentence so you can see how to negate it very easy. Copy the sentence, I paste it on the answer here. The first rule is to identify the verb, and I have highlighted the verbs in the red color. So we put no after the verb, then we put pas. No before the verb, after the verb we put pas. So here is tu, no, then pas here, pas. Tu ne bois pas du café au lait. But the rule say if there is article partitive, it should change to do or the apostrophe. So this do has to change to de. Okay, de café au lait. So the full sentence now will become ce matin, tu ne bois pas de café au lait. This morning, you're not going to drink. You're not drinking a coffee with milk. Ce matin, tu ne bois pas du café au lait. Okay. This morning, you're not drinking coffee with milk. The second sentence is nous sommes au cinéma. Nous sommes au cinéma. We are at the cinema. Here, the rule say if there is verb être in the sentence, no change. And nous sommes, some is the verb être au cinéma. We are at the cinema. So therefore, we just simply put no pas. No before the verb, and after the verb, we put pas. No change here. So the sentence will be like this. Nous ne sommes pas. Nous ne sommes pas au cinéma. Nous ne sommes pas au cinéma. Okay? We are not at the cinema. Simple like this. Okay? Now, the third one is le prof distribue les cahiers corrigés aux élèves. Le prof distribue les cahiers corrigés aux élèves. The prof distributes the corrected notebook to the students. Now we want to say the prof did not distribute the corrected notebook to the students. Just as the rules imply, so I copy it here. I paste. Already the verb is verb distribute, okay, to distribute. So we put no before the verb, okay. Le prof ne distribue, then pas. Le prof ne distribue pas les cahiers corrigés aux élèves. Le here did not change because the rules say if there is article défini, and we can see le, la, l'apostrophe le. So le here there is no change because the rule says if there is article défini, there is no change. So le prof ne distribue pas les cahiers corrigés aux élèves. So this is the answer. Now the fourth activity is Lucie regarde des photos de ses parents. Lucy regarded the photo de ses parents. Lucy is looking at the pictures, the photos of her parents. So we want to say Lucy is not looking at the picture of her parents. The verb here is verb regarder, okay, conjugated. So and article and partitive, sorry, article partitive. Here you can see. Remember the rule. When there's article partitive, it changes to de or de apostrophe. So we copy it now and apply the rules accordingly. No before the verb as usual. No, regarde, then pas. No regarde pas. Then we have article partitive. We have to change it to de photo de ses parents. So just remove this S here. Okay. Then the answer becomes Lucie ne regarde pas de photo de ses parents. Lucie ne regarde pas de photo de ses parents. Lucy is not looking at the photo of her parents. Then the fifth one. Elle achète une jupe pour son anniversaire. Elle achète une jupe pour son anniversaire. She buys a skirt for her birthday. Achète is the verb already. I have highlighted it in red. Une jupe. Une is article indefini. The rule again say if there is article indefini, it becomes de or de apostrophe. So therefore, without wasting time, we copy it here. No before the verb, so we put no. No, this should be an apostrophe because the vowel is there for acheter. So, elle n'achète, then we put pas. Elle n'achète pas. Article indefini here, une has to change to de. Elle n'achète pas de jupe. Elle n'achète pas de jupe pour son anniversaire. She did not buy any skate for her birthday. Okay, this is how the answer should be. And the last one for this activity is nous mangeons du pain. Nous mangeons du pain. We are eating some bread. Okay, like the rules implies again, we can see mangeons, the verb is in red. Du is article partitive, so we have to change this to de, or the apostrophe. So let's go. So no before the verb, pas after the verb. Nous ne mangeons pas, nous ne mangeons pas de, has to be here. Nous ne mangeons pas de pain. Okay? Because this article partitive, we have to change it according to the rule here. Okay? So the answer becomes now, nous ne mangeons pas du pain. Nous ne mangeons pas de pain. We are not eating any bread. We are not eating any bread. So, dear friends, I believe this has been able to clear your doubt on doing the simple negation. Please remember I said we have other types of negation, but we are just concentrating on ne pas, the simple one. So please, if this have answered your doubts, put on the comment section. If you have that also, put on the comment section, like and share with your friends. Okay, merci et bonne journée mes chers amis. Merci.